Makeup tutorials conversation, easy English practice for beginners. Hi Mary. Do you watch makeup tutorials?
Hi, William. Yes, sometimes. They are really helpful for learning new techniques.
That's interesting. What kind of makeup tutorials do you like to watch?
I usually watch tutorials about everyday makeup. I like learning how to do a natural look. What about you? Do you watch them too?
Not really, but I think they can be useful. My sister watches them all the time.
Oh, that's nice. Does she like doing makeup?
Yes, she loves it. She even practices new styles on me sometimes.
Wow. That's fun. Makeup can be a great way to express creativity.
I agree. What is the most important thing you have learned from tutorials?
I have learned how to blend foundation properly and how to choose the right colors for my skin tone.
That sounds useful. Sometimes people use the wrong shades, and it looks unnatural.
Exactly. Choosing the right shade is very important. Also, I learned how to do simple eye makeup for special events.
Cool! Is it difficult to do eye makeup?
At first, yes. But after some practice, it becomes easier. You just need to follow the steps carefully.
That's good to know. How often do you wear makeup?
I wear light makeup every day, but I do full makeup only for special occasions. What do you think about makeup?
I think makeup is an amazing skill. It can make people feel more confident.
That's true. But I also think it's important to feel confident without makeup.
I agree. Confidence comes from inside, but makeup can be fun too.
Yes, it's fun to try different looks. Do you think I should start my own makeup channel?
Absolutely. You have great knowledge, and I think many people would love to learn from you.
Thanks, William. Maybe I will try. Would you watch my videos?
Of course! I'll be your biggest supporter.
Thank you. I'll let you know when I post my first video.
I can't wait. Good luck, Mary.
Thanks. Let's meet up soon and talk more about it.
Sure. See you soon. Exciting safari adventure. Learn English with real conversations. Hi Annabelle. Have you ever been on a safari?
Hi, George. No, I haven't. But I really want to go on one. Have you?
Yes, I went on a safari last year in Kenya. It was amazing.
That sounds incredible. What did you see there?
I saw so many animals. Lions, elephants, giraffes, and even a cheetah. The wildlife was fantastic.
Wow, I love animals. Were you scared at all?
At first, yes. But our guide was very experienced. He made us feel safe.
That's good to know. How long was your safari trip?
It was a week-long trip. We stayed in a camp in the middle of the savannah.
A whole week in the wild. What was the camp like?
It was quite comfortable. We had tents with beds and good food. It felt like an adventure.
That's awesome. Did you go on safari drives every day?
Yes, we went out every morning and evening. The best time to see the animals is early in the morning or late in the afternoon.
I didn't know that. Why is that the best time?
Because it's cooler then. The animals are more active when it's not too hot.
That makes sense. Did you take any photos?
Yes, I took hundreds of photos. The scenery and animals were so beautiful.
I would love to see them sometime. Do you have a favorite moment from the safari?
I think my favorite moment was seeing a lion pride up close. They were so majestic and calm.
That must have been amazing to see. I really want to go on a safari now.
You should definitely go if you get the chance. It's an experience you'll never forget.
I'll start planning for it. Thank you for sharing your safari story, George.
You're welcome, Annabelle. I hope you get to go on your safari soon.
Me too. Have a great day, George.
You too, Annabelle. Take care. Master Basic English Communication 20 Must Know Q&A for Beginners. What is your phone number? My phone number is 523-456-7890. Can I call you later? Yes, you can call me after 6 p.m. Where do you live? I live in London. What is your email address? My email address is albert@example.com. Can you send me the details? Yes, I will send them by email. Who is calling, please? This is Barbara speaking. How can I contact you? You can contact me by phone or email. Are you available for a meeting tomorrow? Yes, I am available in the afternoon. What time is the meeting? The meeting is at 10 a.m. Can you hear me? Yes, I can hear you clearly. Can we meet in person? Yes, let's meet at the cafe. What's the best way to reach you? The best way is through WhatsApp. When can we talk? We can talk tonight. Do you have a business card? Yes, I have one with me. Can I leave a message for Albert? Yes, I will give him your message. Who should I contact for more information? Please contact Barbara for more details. Is it okay to text you? Yes, texting is fine. Can you repeat that, please? Sure, I said. The meeting is at 10 a.m. Are you on social media? Yes, I am on Facebook and Instagram. How do I spell your last name? It's spelled Albert. Discovering the charm of Vienna. Hi Fiona, have you ever been to Vienna?
No, I haven't. But I really want to go. Have you been there?
Yes, I went there last year. It's a beautiful city with so much history.
That sounds amazing. What did you like the most about Vienna?
I love the architecture, especially the Schönbrunn Palace. And the food is delicious.
Oh, I love trying new foods. What should I try if I visit?
You should definitely try Wiener Schnitzel and Zahortorte. They are famous Viennese dishes.
Yum! I can't wait to try them. Did you visit any museums?
Yes, I went to the Kunsthistorisches Museum. It has an incredible collection of art.
That sounds great. I enjoy visiting museums. How about public transport? Is it easy to get around?
Yes, the public transport is very efficient. You can take the tram, bus, or subway.
That's good to know. Did you stay in a hotel or an apartment?
I stayed in a hotel near the city center. It was very convenient.
Sounds perfect. Thank you for the tips, Albert. I'm excited to plan my trip to Vienna.
You're welcome, Fiona. Have a great trip.